For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a gradient design. I'm starting off with my nails painted white, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. Next, we'll take a makeup sponge and load it up with polish. Once your colors are ready, start sponging it onto your nail. And I'm going to repeat this process 2 or 3 times until I get the desired coverage. The colors I'm using is Rose Mimosa and Majestic from LA Colors Metal Collection. Over my gradient, I'm going to stamp some roses using Born Pretty stamping plate L066. Now I'll remove the liquid latex and finish with a matte top coat. And here's our completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.